Hello, my friends. How do you like the idea of disabling XML-rpc in WordPress? If you do not know what this XML-rpc, let me tell you in simple words that this is a WordPress system that allow you to post or publish your articles or posts in WordPress outside using some outside applications, or you can say third party applications like Windows Live Writer or blog poster or some other similar stuff, or some desktop softwares. And you can also post to from emails directly to your WordPress. You just send email to WordPress and WordPress will automatically create post for you. So this XML RPC is used for such cases. But if you are not like you do not use any third party application or do not have any future plan, so you can disable this for security reason if you want. And once disabled, you won't be able to post directly in your WordPress website outside the WordPress admin dashboard. And this trick that we are going to learn in this video is quite easy to do, and let me show you how you can do this. You can do this by editing your stxs file of your WordPress website folder, where all the root folder website root folder, and just right click and click edit, and just before the end WordPress type this code block WordPress XML-rpc request and then save it. I'm also providing you the similar code right in the description so that you can copy and paste and use it for your WordPress website. Now let me save the changes. So this way you can disable your XML RPC in WordPress. There is nothing to show in my WordPress any impact. And I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.